Hello guys, Guruban Free Fire again install. Guys, আমি দুইটা সেটআপ দেব। প্রথম সেটআপ হচ্ছে রিনেম সেটআপ। যাদের ফোনে রিনেম কাজ করবে না তারা হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড সেটআপ দিয়ে ইউজ করবে। ওকে, ইনস্টল কমপ্লিট, দেন ওপেন গেম। গেম ওপেন। Okay, on account login. Okay, then cut. Okay, then if you want any bypass, you go to your setting, then search VPN, search. Okay, connect VPN. Okay, then private VPN. Then private DNS, then I will give Telegram private DNS, then it is save. Okay, automatically connected. Then the receiver, download Telegram new CSLN expression. Okay, 99% emerald, 99% subversion. Previous method of this setup, but some phone rename problem, so the two files hack and VM. Hack file copy device storage and write data. com.dts এখানে press. Okay, hack file press. Okay. Then data Wi-Fi off. Then open Free Fire. Data and Wi-Fi off. Data and Wi-Fi off. Okay. Again go to the receiver. Download Telegram. New CSN expression. Then our shop hack. Hack file again copy. Device storage and the right data. Hack file আবার কপি করে আবার পেস্ট করতে হবে। Press. Okay. Open game. Data Wi-Fi off. Data Wi-Fi on off. Data and Wi-Fi off. Okay. Okay. Then go to your ZSL app. Download Telegram, new CSN expression, DN file copy, device storage and the right data, files. Okay, DN file press, hack automatically direct. Okay, data Wi-Fi on. Data Wi-Fi on. Okay. Okay. 99% headshot for the server can no banish and no brightness issue. Download and enjoy. Your comment, tell me my comment and like and share, and your next video tutorial, tell my comment. Okay, bye, tata.